Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me, you probably keep your Apple Watch in silent mode most of the time, relying on the haptics to notify you of incoming calls, messages, and other notifications. However, if you don't keep your Apple Watch in silent mode, you will be happy to know that you can finally change the ringtone on your Apple Watch with watchOS 11. In today's video, I will show you how to do just that. So let's get started. To change the ringtone on your Apple Watch, press the digital crown to view all your apps. Tap on Settings to open it and scroll down and find Sounds and Haptic Settings. Tap on the ringtone options and you will see 8 new ringtone options available. These available ringtones are Pebbles, Focus, Jingle, Nighthawk, Transmit, Twirl, Wind Up and Wonder. You can tap on a ringtone to play it and set it as your default. Apart from ringtones, you can also change alert sounds for messages, emails, calendar events and reminders. There are 9 different alert options to choose from. Personally, I love that I can set different alert sounds for messages and reminders. This way, I can know exactly what notification I have received without even lifting my Apple Watch. While it would be great if Apple allowed us to set individual ringtones for all installed apps, I'm still happy with these new options. It's definitely a big improvement from having no choice at all. If you haven't installed the watchOS Developer Beta on your Apple Watch and want to try this feature, I have got you covered. Click the I button or link in the video description to watch how you can install the watchOS Developer Beta on your Apple Watch. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.